Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joanna Esu, and I'm here to talk about timbre. Timbre. This is the characteristic sound that distinguishes one instrument from the other. It can also be referred to as the sound quality. If two or more voices or instruments are performing the exact same melody, it is their timbre or tone color that helps you differentiate them. Timbre is the result of the following factors. Number one, the material the instrument is made of. Example, wood, metal, animal skin, plastic, vocal cords, etc. And how hollow or solid, thin or thick, how large or small the instrument is. Number two, what the beginning of the note sounds like, what the instrument is struck or played with, and how soft or hard the attack is. This is called articulation. Number three, what the note sounds like after the attack, that is, how sustained the note is after the attack. The rapid vibration of a pitch that adds richness to the sound is called vibrato.